Hello, brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a simple review about the tool pouch belt from Knipex. And as you know, here is the real thing. It is not made from real leather, I think. Here is the stud nail. It looks quite strong and durable. Okay, now we are going to weight the pouch. We're going to measure it 185 gram. And now I will going to try put some tool on the belt. The cable cutter, also from Knipex. The pointed plier. Around 3 kind of the plier, and I think this is the maximum of it. And you also can add some screwdriver or maybe 2 here. Okay, now I will going to try with some additional carabiner from vessel. Here is the carabiner, screwdriver bit for screwdriver bit, also from vessel. And this one carabiner is standard, come from Knipex. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching this simple video.